Hello everyone, welcome to CS Academy. Today I am going to show you how to convert nested JSON object to the simple Java POJO. Let's get started. See here, in the last video I showed you how to convert this simple JSON object to the Java POJO. To convert this JSON object to the Java POJO, I created one class by the name student. Inside that class, I created 4 fields. Whatever the fields is there in the JSON object, same fields I created in student class also. Then I created one constructor. After that, I generated the getter and setters for that fields. After that, inside the main method, I created one object for the object mapper. Using that reference, I am reading the JSON file and mapping that data to the student class. Then this method, read value method, returns as one object. I am collecting that and using that object reference, I am getting the student data and I am printing that here. Now I need to convert the nested JSON object. What is mean by nested JSON object? Nested JSON object means inside one JSON object we will be having the another JSON object. See here, I will show you. This is the simple JSON object. Now I will give the nested JSON object. This is the nested JSON object. Inside one object, I am having the another object. Address is the nested JSON object here. Now I need to convert this JSON object to the Java POJO. Anyhow, I wrote the code to the creating simple JSON object to the Java POJO. When I run this code, I am getting exception. See here, the exception is unrecognized field address. I am getting this exception because inside the student class, I have only 4 fields. I don't have any fields by the name address. So it is showing the unrecognized field and it is also telling 4 known properties. Last name, ID, active and first name. It is known only 4 properties. It don't know what is the address. So it is throwing the exception. To overcome this exception, we need to create one class here by the name address. Now inside this class, I need to create some fields. Whatever the fields is there inside the address object, we have street, city, state, zip and country. These all fields I need to create inside the address class also. See here, I created the fields now. Now I will create one constructor. After that, I need to generate a getter and setter for these fields. Select all, generate. Now I got the getters and setters here. Now save this file. After that, I need to go to the student class. Inside student class, I need to create the address variable. Now for this address, I need to create the getter and setters in the student class also. Save the file and go to the main method. Inside the main method, using the student class reference student.get address, I got the address class object and I need to store that here. After that, using that address reference, I need to get the values and print in the console. Now save the file. See here, first I created the object for the object mapper. Then using that reference, I am reading the JSON file and I am mapping that to the student object. Then it will return one student object and I am collecting that student object. Using that reference, I got some data of the student. I printed that here. After that, using that student reference, I am collecting that address reference here and using that reference, I am printing the city and state. Now save the file and run the code. See here, we got the student ID, student first name, student last name and city and state. Now I done with converting the nested JSON object to the Java Pojo by creating the Spring Boot application. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.